Good morning. My name is Mukund Chanda. I'm from the IS department and I would like to share a few thoughts with you. As we grow old, various changes take place in our lives. Our personality, our behavior, our goals and ambitions. And along with these changes come different needs, different wants. And these desires can sometimes feel out of our reach, an experience that just isn't within our grasp. And in order to achieve these experiences, we must be willing to dive deep into uncharted territory, and we must be willing to do something that we have never done before. Let me give an example from one of my own experiences. It was the 11th grade, new admissions, new faces, new opportunities. One such opportunity was the Student Council, a group of select students that were responsible for organizing and supervising various aspects of the school. It was a responsibility that most students wanted, myself included. But in order to achieve that post, you would have to get the majority of votes from the students by delivering a public speech in front of the entire school. My legs would turn to jelly at the mere thought of public speaking, as most introverted individuals would. But I was tired. I was tired of not taking up opportunities simply because I was scared of what people would say or if I failed. And I wanted this. But in order to achieve it, I would have to not only overcome my fear of stage fright, but I would also have to give such a memorable performance that I win over the majority of the votes. And my candidates were no child's play. They were popular students who had the trust of a majority of the school groups. And I had just me. So on the day of the elections, what did I do? I did something that I had never done before. I went up on stage and I was being myself in front of the entire school. I won their trust over through my confidence. I showcased what sort of person I was through my sense of humor. And long story short, it won them over. The students and the teachers loved my speech. And I was voted as vice head boy for my school that year. And I was proud. Not because I had achieved a post that I had always wanted, but because I wanted it so much that I was willing to do something that I had never done before. And that has made all the difference in my life. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Megha, and I'm going to speak on the topic. If you want something you've never had, you must be willing to do something you've never had done before. This thought simply means that if you want to achieve something, you must be ready to do anything. This not only means our actions, but also our thoughts. For this, we need to step out of our comfort zone and experience new things. Only when we do this, we explore more about ourselves and realize our potential. We take risks and become open to challenges. We know the story of Isaac Newton. He was sitting under an apple tree and observed that an apple dropped from a tree. He realized that Earth has a force that is pulling the apple downwards. He stretched out his limits and thought of new possibilities and formulated the theory of gravitation. He invented calculus, discovered optics, and also formulated the laws of motion. It was due to his perseverance that even today he is considered as one of the greatest mathematicians and physicists. The story of Michael Phelps, an American swimmer who achieved 28 medals, is an inspiration. By rigorous training of 6 hours daily, sheer determination, focus, and discipline, he achieved what he wanted. This tells us that if we want to achieve extraordinary things, we need to put extraordinary effort and be prepared to face anything that comes on our way. Therefore, I would like to conclude by saying, if we want to achieve something, we need to give everything we have, our time, talent, and prayers, and be focused. By the right attitude, we can reach greater heights. Thank you.
Hello there, I'm Kevin, and I'll be sharing my views on the topic. If you want something you've never had, You must be willing to do something you've never done. What this means is that nothing is going to come easy in your life. If you really want something, you must be willing to work for it. Let me give you an example. It's divided into two parts. The first being motivation to start. There's a college going student who wishes to have a lean and built body. He has an average BMI, but he wishes to reduce his body fat percentage and build some muscles. So, what is he aiming for right here? To turn his body into a version he's never been before. For that, he should start working out, make a plan, a timetable to follow, and gather knowledge about all the workouts and its different types, as all this is new to him. So he starts working out at home due to quarantine, works out 5 days a week consistently. As time passes, he starts getting some results and sees minute changes. But alas, after a few months, it all stops. He loses motivation as he can't see any changes or results. He eventually stops working out towards his goal. Now, here comes part 2. Don't give up. You don't give up hope just because you stop getting results. Athletes aren't built in days, it takes them years and months to be that way. He realized that what he needed to was change his workouts and join a gym for the better, where he'll get to choose from a variety of equipments. You see, our body also needs some change. Otherwise, it'll get used to the same workouts and being stagnant. So now again, he does something he's never done before. He starts going to a gym and works even harder and better as he knows how and what to do. He soon reaches his goal. What we can conclude from this is you have to start. Start to something which will make you a better version of yourself, be it whatever you wish for. You have to work your way through and keep going with the change. Do it, and do it. Thank you.
I'm Kritan, here to share my views on something that's really important to succeed in life. I would start by saying that if you want to have something that you have never had before, you must be willing to do something that you have never done before. History has always proven that people who have achieved something in life have always done something powerful and out of the box. The willingness to achieve something depends upon how much you believe in yourself. Taking an example of a businessman, it's always necessary for a businessman to take risks in his life. That is, by doing something that he has never done before. In the context of business, he who makes efforts in order to achieve his goals and dreams works the hardest and the smartest. It is said that life is like an ocean. Waves try to knock you down and push you back to where you started from. But once you fight through them, the entire ocean is yours. This is really important as ideas and risk go hand in hand. Every new idea has a certain amount of risk, and in order to achieve it, one must overcome their fears and make the first step in achieving their goals. Great business like Ratan Tata, Ambani, and Elon Musk, who have started, have proven that innovation is the key to achieve greater heights. To conclude, I would say that don't wait for the opportunity, create it, believe in yourself, and give your best shot and achieve it. Thank you.
Good afternoon, all. The quote, "If you want something you never had, and you must be willing to do something you never had done." I believe everyone can relate to it, as we've all wanted some things in our lives. For that, we had to go above and beyond to achieve. Sometimes going above and beyond to achieve means trying out something new, be it a job, a possession, an event, or a goal. For if you want anything new in your life, you need to work hard towards it. Try out some other ways, a new way to achieve it. For example, I'm an average student. I'm even an athlete. I score decent marks, decent grades. But if I want to top in my class, which I haven't done now, then I have to work hard towards it. But at the same time, I shouldn't compromise my sports also. I'll have to come up with a timetable, new ways, so that I get so that I'm comfortable handling my studies and my sports also. To conclude, I would just tell that if you want something in your life, you need to come out of your comfort zone. Set out yourself from the comfort zone, or you won't be able to explore anything new. If each individual had the same mindset, that they want to achieve something in their life, then it would be easier and efficient and a quicker way for them to achieve their dreams. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Ranjini from USN College of Engineering, ISC department. I hope everyone is safe and doing well. I'm here to talk about a quant. If you want something you never had, you are willing to do something you never done. If you could do one thing to transform in your life, I would highly recommend to do which you are fascinated about and doing it for life. If you want to achieve something, it may be a goal, job, or anything which you have never seen or which you have never thought in your life, then you have to do something different or harder. When I take myself as an example, I'm an average student with an average mark. I never topped in any class or any subject. Now I have decided to top in for upcoming exam, so that I should practice well and do something different, try add something so that I can top in a class. I also had a stage fear. I always try to escape or hide behind others so that no one can notice me. But now I've decided to overcome this stage fear and build my confidence, so that I started practicing on my topic and well prepared for my presentation, which helped me to build my confidence. And also started focusing on my presentation rather than focusing on audience. Sometimes we have to do something new and different, or else we won't be able to explore anything new.